Moirom Nursery, your trusted destination for quality plants and seeds. Located at Tiniali Bazaar, Lanka Hojai, Assam, 782446. Delivery available across India. Affordable prices. Bulk and retail orders accepted. Call or WhatsApp now on 8811819456 or 6003589622. Grow green, grow better with Moirom Nursery.
Shisngi hadian bagi noilam ke State Coordination Committee of Coal Owners, Miners, Exporters, Transportation and Dealers Forum SCCCOMETNDF kila lek penyekendo yo Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kiesangma ban pen i kijing ajimut jengki halor ke kamti Dewïong hajela Meghalaya nakaliang sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau beri pej ke tena transport ubak seniau barang dhar ula pentip bagi Sorkar jela telah dapat bu yak appointment bat ke Coal Ministry jong ke Sorkar India ban kren halor kani kemat ke bakongsan. Habakran sekilat patai kubor haka arpulai terek jelio arja arpun rio ubasnya barang dahar uloong. Baka jing kendo bat ke forum galong ke besaiso haka baki noelam kila pens ngau ya kijing ai jingmut bat kijing terwa jengki halor ki lenti ban penbet ya ke kamti Dewïong hapo ke jela. Uloong ru baka Sorkar jela kalsim kiai kini kijing ai jingmut bat kadang but din ya ke kam da ke kren bat ke Sorkar pedeng. Nolor kita upasnya bahalang uloong bayamenta borok ki badan bentakin haban up ya kijing menjur na ke Sorkar India halor kini kijing ai jingmut ki bala dep ban pa. Ula Pynpaw ru baka Sorkar jela kadang treshitom ban wad ya ke lat kalenti ke bapaka bat ke balong kat kum ki kendon an ban penyat cekmat ya ke kamti Dewïong kenang bakan mentoy ya ki pajba bat ya ke jelahi borok away.
Very, very fruitful meetings and positive meeting. And we listen their suggestions and ideas and we accept their presentation also, which is very, very genuine. So they request us with the present scientific mining system is similar feasible in the state of Meghalaya, which require large area of land. So that is point number one. So we are ready to move to the government of India to request them to reduce the size of mining area, at least so that our local miners can do minings accordingly. Move immediately to the government of India. We will request as per request by our coal miner association. Small miner means maximum 5-6 hectare. That's all. So let us see. Number one, if the government will exempt, allow us to give license from the state, we will work accordingly. Present formula, the present scientific mechanism is which is related directly with open gas, which is not possible at all. And yeah, if it is related with the rat hole, so many systems has to follow. We have to look with the other state how it does. Simple as that. So therefore, there is so many systems, so many formulas, so many things we have to follow. If they allow us, that suppose if government of India grant us the permission, we will sit accordingly with our miners. Let listen from them. Let them suggest accordingly how. Because it's a new formula. If they allow us, we will work together. We work accordingly with them. As of now, some state, for example, like Goa, for ore mining. So that's we have to see from law what which section they have allowed. So that's yet to find out.
Mas when will the government take up this with this?
No, immediately. From the day one, we already started. From yesterday itself, only CM already talked to Delhi. 6 appointment. Even yesterday, as soon as the meetings our other chief ministers already connect with the coal ministry when appointment is.
So
very well because the affecting of coal mining of coal ban is really tremendous. That is why we saw by our own eyes. It's really so far. That is why we want to move very, very aggressively to the government of India. You see, frankly speaking, we have keep meeting them from time to time before, but now we will meet them with the other alternatives which have been present by our miner. So we are awaited for the appointment from the Ministry of Prime Minister.
So you will be submitting this draft policy.
We will see. Let us get appointment first. We will see and discuss. Obviously, we will present to them if necessary.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bhak, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus F mentah kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.